Welcome to watch today's Fresham. In Hollywood, a house inspired by Louis Barragán and Slim Aarons. Designer Jordana Maisie renovated a 1926 house, successfully meeting the challenge of preserving its history while infusing it with contemporary elegance. The renovation is inspired by the architectural principles of a master such as Barragán. The house offers a true spatial experience thanks to its stepped walls and carefully framed views, transforming the whole into a dynamic play of form, light, and movement.